Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to talk about how to manage a Google Ads campaign with $1,000 budget. If you ask me on what's the ideal budget, I recommend companies to start with dollar 2,000 to dollar 3,000 as a minimum budget. Okay, that is a minimum budget to go on to work on to start on. But let's say in case if you are actually completely new business and uh, don't have a budget to explore on Google Ads. First of all, I 1,000 is a very low amount to start on Google Ads budget. It's not that the amount is small, but rather the how Google works and Google algorithm works. It's better to go with the higher budgets. You will end up saving more, and you may have to end up paying more with the low budgets. That is the theory on how Google Ads work. So, but let's say in case if I have a dollar 1,000 budget, I'm gonna start with. Okay, first of all, my strategy is to look on my website and my landing page. Okay, there is a difference between a website and landing page. Website is a whole complete multiple pages combination of a website, and landing page is actually the page where your user is actually going to land. So to optimize the we need to have an optimized landing page with a conversion form over there, highly targeted counter over there, an excellent strategy where people are convinced to buy your product or service whatever you are selling. So I need to have that one, and I also need to work on my page speed. I need to make it mobile friendly. I also need to have a newsletter because I believe that a newsletter is a win-win formula, because more majority of the users do not convert at the first visit, and we need to convince them again and again with our product services. And to do that, we need to have a email newsletter where we can convince them again with our news information, product information, deals, discounts, or whatever your strategy is to convince them. Okay, once I get that, okay, then I'm going to do a competitive analysis to know what my competitors are doing, what kind of a campaign they are running, what kind of strategies they are doing. Okay, so now I am gonna do is I'm gonna for a first month what I'm gonna do is I have to explore my options. With every niche, with every industry, it's a different scenario. But let's say I assume that with in electronics the niche is different, the country, the quality score, so many factors. But let's say with the dollar 1,000, and I'm assuming I'm getting a click at dollar 2. So at 1,000 clicks dollars, I'm going to get 500 clicks. Okay, but since it's the first month, in the first month I'm more interested in getting data rather sales on conversions. So for first month goal is data. Okay, people asking, is it a good strategy to run retargeting, remarketing? No, it's not a good strategy to run retargeting, remarketing in the first month. I do not recommend it because we do not have data, we do not have an audience. So yeah, but in case if you have installed Google Analytics and you want to try it out, we can try retargeting as well, and focus on those users who have already visited our website before. And in case if you are doing it, we can have our 30% budget on retargeting via Google display ads. So it means that $300 is being managed for retargeting. Okay, I also have to emphasize 20% budget on brand bidding. Okay, let me clear on my own brand. Okay, I have seen that people doing advertising on their own brands, even if they rank on top, because it gives a better impression. Even if you, let's say if I search on GoDaddy, you can see that GoDaddy is running ads for their own name. You can see even that Namecheap is also advertising, and GoDaddy is even coming organically on the first page, but still they are running ads. So I recommend to do brand bidding, and let's make it 25% on my own brand bidding. Okay, because I'm going to target on those keywords. Okay, I am now left with 45% budget. Okay, let's make it little lower with 20%. 50% budget I do have. Okay, 50% budget I am going to target on my highly core. Okay, here I do not need a lot of keywords, but highly limited 10 keywords, 10 to 20 core keywords. What here I'm interested in targeting out different locations, different areas, different timings, different ad copies to determine, to figure out what is exactly working well for me. So here I am 50% budget means $500 I have. Okay, even for starter months, I can even reduce my 20% budget and put it in my second month, for second month, and put that as well over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to understand for my already existing customer base on where top 10 cities or top 10 area. In case if it's a nationwide business, I'm going to look around for top 10 cities. But in case if it's a personal city local business, then I'm going to do is I'm going to sort out top 5 locations from where I'm getting most customers. Okay, now I'm going to create 5 small campaigns. Okay, let's make it percentages wise easy. So 15, 30, 45, 60, 35. Okay, yeah, it's good. And 5 small campaigns, each with 15% budget. Okay, for each location. Here I am going to figure out what is working well for my location, what is converting well for my location, what ads are doing well, and I am going to try each campaign with to further divide trustingly, I forgot to say I have 5 campaigns, and to further divide those 20 clicks, 20 keywords, I assume that for 4 to 5 keywords I'm going to have another ad group. So based on that, I'm going to have 5 ad groups in each campaign, in each small campaign. So it's a 5 into 5, total 25 ad groups, and for each ad group I'm going with 2 ad campaigns, 2 ads. Okay, for I also have to try for first 2 weeks or for a first month I'm going to run for 24/7 to find out what is exactly working well for which hour is working well for you, which hour is generating well for me, and based on data I can further summarize and reduce and create new campaigns on based on that data on what is working well for me, what is generating well for me, what hours are converting well for me, what days are converting well for me, and based on that I can further segment my campaign based on those results. So this is a quick and short strategy. I hope you like it. And in case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. And in case if you are looking for our Google ads, Facebook ads, SEO services, you are more than welcome to hire us via the link in the description of this video. And thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel in case if you are not looking for to watch videos like this. Once again, thank you for watching, and bye bye.